Are you trying to recover your hard drive at home instead of hire a professional? But I will tell you that will invite worries. Friends, please remember, data recovery is a time-consuming process. You could have loose hours, but you may not be successful. You will be in trouble when your hard drive is not working properly. If you don't know what you're doing, you could damage the drive. Data recovery can be very time-consuming complex process, even for the professionals. When you're fixing the defects of your hard drive, without the guidance, you may end up in trouble or you may lose your valuable data forever. I strongly recommend that you should contact a professional data recovery specialist to save your time and salvage your data. A data recovery expert having professional tool to handle the drive, and they will be able to recover your data efficiently without damaging your drive. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.